Hello, this is Ilan Sredni, President of Palindrome Consulting. Today, we're going to show you how to use Excel conditional formatting. This is a formatting tool that can help you highlight specific areas of a very large spreadsheet. I normally use it to add additional color or to bring attention to specific cells.
I use conditional formatting whenever I want to highlight a specific cell or multiple cells at that. So what I normally do is I select the cell group, I click conditional formatting from the styles tab, and then I have options that I could use. I would most normally use greater than or less than. So as an example, you could always go here and say anything that's greater than $350 will be highlighted. Now you can select different color schemes in order to do that. Additionally, you could also include formulas in this formatting. I hope you find this helpful, and if you have any questions, remember to reach out to our help desk at 305-944-7300. Don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.